Well now, looks like y'all just heard what happens when a plain old sound wanders too far into frozen territory. Every one of those clips started out warm, and this plugin turned them colder, sharper, and otherworldly. Name's Icewave, and if you're looking to reshape your sound into something you ain't never heard before, well, partner, you just stepped into the right snowstorm. See, Icewave ain't your typical effect rack. It's a 6-module multi-effect engine built to bend, freeze, fracture, and blur your audio into a new kind of cold frontier. It don't try to warm things up. It takes your signal, crystallizes it, and rebuilds it like sonic ice sculpture. Let's have a check on all the effects modules, shall we? 1. Fracture, glassing transient shaper. Fracture grabs the attack of your sound and splinters it like shattered crystal. It ain't distortion. It's precision ice cutting for plucks, drums, and anything that needs that frozen bite on the front end. 2. Cryotone, frozen tone, sculptor. Cryotone chills your tone into place. Smooth lows, gleaming highs, and a sculpted center that feels polished and glassy. Perfect for clean guitars, pads, keys, anything that needs that frosted sheen. 3. Drifts, slow motion engine. Drifts is where your sound starts wandering. Not wobbly, not woozy, just slow, gentle, glacial movement that widens and slides like winter air gliding through canyon walls. 4. Icicles, granular reverb, with glitch sparkles. Icicles ain't your granddad's reverb. It blooms like snowfall, then inside the tail, you get these tiny frost fragments, granular sparkles, glitch reflections, like ice cracking under moonlight. 5. Frost haze, rhythmic ping-pong delay. And frost haze, well, that's your rhythmic trailblazer, a ping-pong delay that bounces your signal left to right like footprints across a frozen lake. Smooth, hypnotic, tempo tight. So whether you're building ambient landscapes, designing cold atmospheric pads, or just need a new way to freeze your sound solid, Icewave is ready to ride. Go on then, drop it on your tracks and carve something beautiful out there in the cold.